Is Temu safe? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss whether or not it is safe for you as a customer to buy stuff on Temu, so make sure to stick with me. Now you might have heard of Temu because it is giving really cheap prices in good quality products, and you hear all these sorts of things going on around the community from the people. No matter where you live, you might actually see those free deals just like Alibaba and so on. And now you might have been wondering, is Temu actually safe? Now unfortunately, if you go ahead and search for this on Google, according to ZDNet, what they say is Temu is not accredited by the Better Business Bureau (BBB) and has an average rating of 2 out of 5 stars. Many recent complaints about Temu on the BBB website say that items never arrived, or if they did, took weeks or even months to arrive. So many customers has actually had bad experience. Now personally, I've also shopped a few products from it over here, as you would be able to find them. There are a couple of things I want you to remember. That is to not to purchase too much expensive items on Temu. Now if you're not sure about whether it's really safe or not, because it's not upon Temu, it's upon this seller that is actually selling on Temu. So if the seller has a good rating, you can order products from those. You can check the reviews of the seller, but if the seller doesn't have a good rating, I wouldn't really recommend you to buy products with them. So hope this video helped to clear your doubts as to whether or not Temu is safe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.